Get thee up into the high mountain. O thou that tellest good tidings to Jerusalem, lift up your voice with strength, lift it up, be not afraid. Say unto the cities of Judah, say unto the cities of Judah, behold your God, behold your God, behold your God. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much.